Children, have you visited a dam? The water stored in a dam is distributed everywhere but canals. Otherwise, the water stored in the dam will be wasted without a proper use. The same is true for our body also. The oxygen inhaled during respiration and the nutrients formed after digestion must reach each and every cell in the body. This function is carried out by the blood. Come on, let's learn about it. After digestion of food, the nutrients formed are supplied to all parts of the body through the blood. The oxygen that is inhaled during respiration enters the blood and then it is carried to all parts of the body through the blood. Once oxygen is reached to all the cells of the body, the substances there undergo combustion slowly and the body gets energy. See how important is the function of blood in our body. As the water stored in the dam flows through the canals, blood flows through continuously through the blood vessels and constantly doing its function. Have you ever thought who keeps the blood flowing continuously? Come on, let's learn more about it. Circulation of blood. The heart keeps the blood flowing continuously. You must remember that the heart continuously undergoes two processes, which are contraction and relaxation. Contraction of heart means decrease in the volume of heart and relaxation means retaining of volume of the heart. It is just like this. You must remember that when the bottle is pressed, the water rushes out. Our heart works like this pump. Heart undergoes alternate contraction and relaxation continuously. When the heart contracts, blood in the heart is pushed into the blood vessels. The blood is pushed forward during every contraction. Every contraction of the heart is called as the heartbeat. There is a network of blood vessels throughout our body that consists of blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart and those which bring blood back to the heart. The process of keeping the blood flowing through all the parts of the body is called blood circulation. In the beginning, we have discussed about dam and canals. Blood circulation is just like that. In our body, in addition to oxygen, various substances are transported from one part to other through the blood. Heart and the network of blood vessels together are called as circulatory system. This process is called as circulation of blood. The process of circulation of blood goes on continuously without stopping as long as we are alive. The nervous system. What will you do when a ball is running towards you very fast? You will stop it by holding it with your hands, right? When you touch a hot pan unintentionally, what do? You will immediately take away your hand. How does this happen? How do we breathe? How do we feel that we are hungry? All these questions have the same answer. Due to our nervous system. Children, we do some actions with our wish. For example, running, talking, etc. Some actions are reflex actions. For example, pulling your hand backwards immediately when we touch a hot pan, stopping a ball coming rapidly towards you, etc. Similarly, some actions are going on continuously day and night, even if we are unaware of them. For example, respiration, digestion, and the function of our heart. We can perform these various functions due to our nervous system. Just think over it. Our mother is the head of our household. Have you thought about how many works does she perform simultaneously? What does everybody like and unlike? She remembers all the things. She coordinates all together. She pays attention to all activities and completes each task properly and perfectly, and coordinates all the functions in the home. Similarly, to pay attention to all the functions of our body and complete them properly is very important. This is called as coordination. Brain performs the important task of coordination. The brain is in contact with all the parts of our body. There is a network that connects the brain with all the different parts of our body. This is a network of nerves that carry messages to and fro between the brain and the parts of the body. The brain and the network of nerves are together called the nervous system. Thus, the system which maintains coordination between the respiratory system, the digestive system, the circulatory system, and all the systems is the nervous system. The function of the nervous system is very vast and its scope is very large. We have just made an introduction of it. In addition to these systems, there are many more systems in our body. For example, the skeletal system, which gives support and shape to the body and protects the important organs inside it. The excretory system, which expels the waste substances that are formed in the body. All these organ systems are related to each other. Hence, if the function of any one of our systems is disturbed, it affects all the other systems in the body too. What did we learn? We have learned about the blood circulation system. Blood flows through the blood vessels due to the contraction and relaxation of the heart. There is a network of blood vessels in our body, hence, blood spreads throughout the body. Oxygen and nutrients in the food are transported to all the other parts of the body through the blood. The nervous system performs all the functions in our body properly and maintains coordination between them. The brain and the other parts of the body are connected to each other by nerves. The network of nerves carries messages to and fro between the brain and the parts of the body. The system which maintains the coordination between the respiratory system, the digestive system, the circulatory system, and all other systems is the nervous system. Exercise. Fill in the blanks. The process of keeping the blood flowing through all parts of the body is called dash. Dash maintains the coordination between various functions in the body. The brain and the network of nerves are together called the dash. Who am I? I keep the blood flowing continuously. I carry the messages from the brain to all the parts of the body. I maintain the coordination. I carry oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. Name the organ systems in the body. Suppose that you yourself are an organ in the body. Introduce yourself and explain your function. Repeat the process for each organ one by one.